So your seeds have sprouted, and gently the focus shifts from warmth to light, because this is the stage where most people accidentally sabotage their plants. The moment seedlings emerge, they need a lot of bright light, and they need it close. A sunny windowsill sounds romantic, but it's almost never enough. The seedlings stretch toward the glass, growing tall, pale, and floppy, what gardeners call leggy. A leggy seedling is a weak seedling. The fix is simple. Give them strong light from directly above, just a couple of inches over the tops of the plants. If you're using a grow light, keep it close and run it around 14 to 16 hours a day. As the seedlings grow, you raise the light to keep that gap small. This is probably the right moment to mention because people always ask that the trays, the heat mat, the grow light, all this simple gear I'm using here, I've gone ahead and put links to in the description below, so you don't have to go hunting for the same stuff. Use it or don't. The techniques work either way. Watering at this stage should be gentle. Let the surface dry slightly between waterings and water from the bottom when you can by setting the tray in a shallow bit of water and letting it wick up. That keeps the leaves dry and the roots reaching downward. Once your seedlings have their first true leaves, the second set, which actually look like tomato leaves, you can pot them up into slightly larger containers to give the roots room. Handle them by those leaves, never the fragile stem. Give them a few weeks of this care, and they'll transform into sturdy little plants, almost ready for the garden. But before they move outside, let's get the spot that's waiting for them ready first. That's where we head next.